Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to the O gang or the No gang. In today's video, I'm just going to do like a natural, sleek look. I got a new camera, but I left it at my boyfriend's house, so we're just gonna have to do it on the iPhone. Let's get started. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Let's go. Detangled my hair, so that's why it's looking like that. So let's go. So what I'm doing here is splitting my hair in half. Guys, don't mind the white stuff that's on my hair. That's leave-in conditioner. I have low porosity hair, so that means products tend to stay on my hair and cause a white cast. Using a big comb, I'm just going to detangle that section. I know that's a big ass jar. I use a lot of gel on my hair because I like to do wash and goes and put my hair in buns. In order to do that, it gotta be gelified. You feel me? So I'm just gonna take some gel like this and apply it to, I don't know if y'all can see. Now, like this. And to get it smooth, I use what's this brush called? A denim brush. Woo, my arm is giving up. I'm not hurting my hair, I promise you. It's just that my arm is killing me. And split it one more time. I'm gonna comb this section. Yeah, my boyfriend bought me a comb and that shit broke. Alright guys, I think you got the picture, so I went ahead and detangled my last section off camera, and then we're gonna go jump right into the foundation of my ponytail. Alright, now that we got the foundation, we're just gonna apply more gel and keep brushing. More gel. I'm gonna take a bristle brush. For extra security or sleekness, I like to take the Gorilla Snot, not Gorilla Glue, and put extra on the top of my hair. Alright, for the bun section, I usually twist my hair and then I just wrap it around itself. And then I'm going to use rubber bands to secure the bun. Alright guys, so I went ahead and did my edges off camera before they curl up. I'm about to tie my hair and I'm going to show y'all the end results. But this is what we're working with now. Alright, so this is me tying up my hair. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the moment of truth. Hold on, let me back up. Okay, I'm about to go to work. So, I'm gonna take this off. I left this on for 2 hours. Hold on, let me take this one off first. Oh my god. That was easy. Hope my edges didn't come curly because they like doing that. And then I just twist this because it wasn't staying. This is what we're working with. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm out.